Well, here are a few sketching tips that'll allow you to utilize sketches for doing layout and simple mechanism design. Now in this case, you'll notice I've got a bunch of entities within a sketch, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to first convert them into blocks. So you'll notice if I just highlight, I can go ahead and say make block. I can hit enter. Same thing up here, make block, enter. I'm going to make this one a block as well, and this one. And I'm also going to make this last one. So now I've got 5 blocks within a single sketch. And what I can do with this is the first thing I want this cam to have the follower actually touch and follow the outside edge. Now, if you were to just select one entity, obviously you'd add a tangent or something like that, and it would only follow that one arc. So what you can do is if you right click, you can say make path. And what I can do is I can edit that path, and you can pre-select this as well. And I'm just going to select the entities I want part of the path. So now that I have a path in there, when I add a relationship, I can control select the two, and notice it selects the entire boundary now. And so now when I use tangent, you'll notice when I move this, which I should probably lock this down, you'll notice this will actually follow as I want. Now another thing that I want to add is I want to add a belt. So again, you can right click, say add belt or chain, and now I can go through and select circular entities on my layout to do this, and I can pick the side I want, if I wanted a tensioner, if I wanted a pulley, however I want to lay it out. If I also have options for the belt length, so if I want to type in a driven length, so if you have a stock length belt, you can design your mechanism around that. You can also have it put belt thickness in, so you can calculate how long the belt will be. And what's nice is that when you hit OK, this will be a mechanism. So you'll notice this is all moving now as a simple mechanism. And another thing that you can do within here is you'll notice if I control select these two, I can add another relationship called traction. And traction will actually understand the surface to surface contact and basically maintain a gear ratio. And so now you'll notice when I move my mechanism, I will get that same type of interaction that I expect. So this is a simple way to be able to lay out mechanisms without putting a lot of overhead in designing all the parts in 3D and in assembly and add everything. And you can do this in an assembly layout and basically create your parts right from your sketches.